Hey, Franklin, maybe you should do your homework now, too. That way you can come over later and we can shoot some baskets.
I think I'll do my homework later.
Gee, Franklin, what did you do? Wake up on the wrong side of the floor this morning?
Very funny, Bear.
I know. Maybe you put your shell on the wrong way.
All right, that's it.
Man. It's been a minute since I started talking to y'all, boy. Hey, no cap. Hey. I miss y'all. I ain't gonna cap. I missed y'all. Alright, look. Stop. Let me stop bullshitting, saying. For real. Hey, I tried to do a little prank on Omegle. So, you already know how them pranks go. I tried to put Lil Yachty. Lil Yachty right here, saying no cap. Some of them motherfuckers fell for a lot of them just clicked the next button. But hey, y'all gonna see some of their reactions. And I did another reaction too of how they got my little YouTube background and see how they react to that shit. So man, without further ado, let's get into this shit.
Weird. Like, look at fucking Lil Yachty, bro. Why the fuck is he on here?
Yeah.
What, bro? Like, what is Lil Yachty doing right now?
Hold on. I ain't never showed this process before, but I'm a...
So then you did ain't ugly. What just happened?
What the hell y'all doing?
But some dude just asked, oh no.
What?
Yeah.
Simulated good down.
Hold on.
Are you going to rap for us? Are you going to like sing?
I ain't never showed this process before, but I want y'all to see this.
Wait, that was Lil Yachty!
Huh?
No, it wasn't. Yes, it was.
It's too much.
Wait, Lil Yachty? Lil Yachty? I swear to God, it's Lil Yachty.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, bitch, this is tough. Yo, hey, would y'all believe me if I know Lil Yachty?
Huh?
Would y'all believe me if I say I knew Lil Yachty?
But what the hell, boy?
You know what?
Lil Yachty, you know who Lil Yachty is?
Yeah.
Y'all don't think I know him. Why you take? Oh, she taking a picture, yo. What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, y'all want to meet Lil Yachty though?
Yeah.
It's too much reverb.
Wait, what?
Niggas is stupid, man. Yo, this shit is fucking hilarious, nigga. What the fuck is y'all doing?
I just burped.
Girl, what the fuck? Y'all, nah. Hey, y'all like Lil Yachty? Yes or no?
No, man, really, because I just ate a bag of this.
Bruh.
What the hell is that?
So it's...
Takis.
Taki's way. Taki.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Help.
I gotta get
Help,
this shit right.
please. SOS.
It's too much reverb. Yeah. Hold on. I gotta get this shit right.
But fuck that. What you talking about? My God, nigga, whoa.
Yo, I'll sub. Law D, is that the D?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I can see your D?
Oh my God!
You said what?
Can I?
No, sir. No. That's not what we. My heart. Whoa, my nigga got no shirt on.
What's wrong with that? Why everybody keeps saying you don't got no shirt on?
Cause half of the motherfuckers out here with no shirt and they dick out.
Yeah, but you can see, bro. They're not showing a fire settle like this. They don't got J. Cole in the background like this. They don't got the Miami right here. Come on now. They don't got a 3070 Ti in the back.
I don't know what they got, cause at the point they just be having these.
Yeah, cause they be having the camera showing down, bro. See me, you only see in my face.
Hey, at least you're showing just your face. That's all. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, like, I could be beating my shit while I'm in, but you.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
You wouldn't know, you know.
Yo, that's wild. Nah, that's
But you
wild.
wouldn't.
I gotta get this shit right.
Oh fuck! Spit some bars, please. You got the setup. I know it.
I ain't never showed this process before, but I want y'all to see this.
Yo. Oh my god!
Bitch, no, nigga ain't no Lil Yachty. Fuck wrong with you.
Oh, Lil Yachty, bro.
Here's my number. Don't call me maybe. Hey, I just fuck with you. This nigga look light skinned. Look at him, he trying to wrist bitches. Nigga, what the fuck? I don't ride with no Bentley truck. Hey, she don't try to ride me because I don't give a fuck. She
Caught you lacking in 4K? Hi.
Call me lacking, boy. I ain't never lacking, boy. Look, never lacking.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
What's up,
Loud,
man?
loud is the D. Alright. This is a real question.
Go ahead.
Do mixed people have the past? Like, such as my friend though. He's black and white.
If he's black, then my nigga always got the pass. That nigga got a nigga in him. Damn, you didn't mute that shit. Your shit muted, say. Damn, y'all shit. Nah, your shit. Nah, I can't even hear y'all motherfuckers no more. What you about to say though? What you about to say? Well, I'm gonna. God, she didn't. I know you didn't. She didn't popped up in the fucking cat. Yo. Oh shit! You see? My bad. What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
Yo, what just happened?
I don't know. I was hitting that bit. I heard that bit say. Oh.
Get out there.
Girl, what the hell going on in the background?
My naked boyfriend.
Oh yeah, close the door. Close that shit like motherfucker.
I'm not her boyfriend. I'm her brother. He's weird.
Yo. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Bullshit, you know. We just be bullshitting here. We be bullshitting, no cap. Ugh. We be in that bit like we're lazy. Ugh. We be in that bit like this. Ugh.
Are you retarded?
But what the hell, boy?
Does your mama know you're retarded?
Do you play basketball?
I skateboard.
No, and you have no rights.
And that nigga said I had no wrist. Boy, here. Girl. What's 2 + 2? Damn, she knew that shit right. Hey, what's 4 + 4?
8.
Damn. I pull a hose in my taxis. Pull a hole in my backseat. Hey, fuck the hose like she ain't like me. That bitch is ugly. She don't like me. She a dyke. She don't trust me. Ugh.
Sticking my dick in your butt, you're gonna pipe me.
Damn, what the fuck? Yo. Yeah, nigga, what? Whoa, what's up? You okay?
Oh, I didn't understand that you had something behind you. I thought that was tapestry, and I was like, how?
Talking about this?
Yeah.
No, that's this a green screen? Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
I know.
Is that your YouTube channel?
Hell yeah, I've been trying to get people to fuck with this shit all day. I ain't gonna cap. I've been like, yo, come fuck with your boy.
I'm a video editor. I'll support.
Yo, you be video. Hey. Okay, no cap. What's your... No, you good.
I did throw a fucking hot dog at a skinny bitch once though. That one was fun. She looked really hungry.
You know what I'm saying? The man said, I threw a bologna at a bitch. And a fucking hot dog at a skinny bitch. What the?
No.
Yes.
Can I be in the YouTube video?
Yes, my nigga. You could be in that bitch for real. You could be in the bitch. You could be in that bitch
Alright,
like
man.
this. Look, you be like this.
I bought this game for like a couple $100, but like, tell me if this is legit, bro.
But what the hell, boy?
Yo, nah, son, nah. Send me that shit. The Holy Combat. What up, bitch? What up, bitch? What it do, bitch? What it is? What it is, ho? What's up?
What's going on? You're stressed?
Yes.
I'll be your Discord kitty. Don't worry.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Girl, what the fuck? Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Hi.
Why you smacking on that gum like that? Girl, what the fuck?
It's the ice cream.
Oh, that's ice cream. I thought that was good. That bitch said. Nah, she was smacking on that bitch too fucking hard. She was like, that bitch said it was good. Damn, what the fuck? Y'all both eating ice cream? Is both y'all eating ice cream? Y'all all eating ice cream?
I'm not, but they are.
Nah. She in that motherfucker like.
Bruh. You so, bro, why you, nah, bro. Why you frozen? Why was you frozen, bro?
Nigga, that was just a picture. I put a picture up. I ain't go cap. I just wanted to see how you was gonna react to that hoe. I ain't go cap.
I was like, why you froze?
Nah, I wasn't froze. People be saying that shit. I was like, man, I be trying to jump scare motherfuckers on here. Bro.
Hey, wait, let me sub.
Hell yeah.
I got you.
Hey, you the first one to ever pull out that bitch yet today. So I ain't go cap.